All right, guys, how's it going, everyone? Josiah, Mr. Therapy Kostek, and today we're with Automation Answer. And of course, you're going to be able to check out automationanswer.com. We're going to show you exactly why right now. I got my good buddy Chad Gray, and he's going to be walking us through the steps when it comes to that automation answer. How you doing today, Chad?
Doing great, Josiah. How about yourself?
Man, I'm feeling good, brother, man. Excited. It's been a beautiful day. Best day of the year up here in Pennsylvania. Hey, bet, we're inside. We're getting some work done, man, and that feels A-okay too. So basically, this is for those people that are trying to take a product, take a service, connect it to a domain so they can create content, drive traffic to their page, and actually make some sales. And I know I made that sound awful easy, but it's because it is. Okay, guys, look, you don't have to have a paid product. This works with ClickBank products, and you don't have to pay the $12.17 for a whole year of a domain like I do on GoDaddy. You can do cheaper ones with Namecheap over there with Chad. Either way, if you like GoDaddy, hey, come and see me. If you like Namecheap, get a hold of Mr. Gray. Either way, we're going to get you set all the way up. But right now, he's going to help me connect my domain, automationanswer.com, to my funnel. That way, people are going to easily be able to come in, see a landing page, a pre-built funnel for my company, Builderall, and of course, they're going to be able to opt in at that rate. So go ahead, Chad. Go ahead and take me to the promised land, brother.
Okay. The first thing you can do is head over to your money-making funnel page on your Builderall.
Awesome. And right here, of course, you can see I'm already logged into Builderall. Got my account pulled up. Went to the Builderall Business tab, down to my Money Making Funnels tab, and here we are.
Yep. And then right at the top, on where those gray boxes are there, you'll see one that says Connect Domain.
All right. That'd be right about here.
Yep. And then whichever domain name you're going to use, you're going to go ahead and put it right in at the top there. And you don't even have to put a www. You can just, in your case, automationanswer.com. And then you're going to go ahead and copy those name server settings right below it, the ns3.l4dns.com.
All right, and I'll minimize it. Now everybody got a chance to take a look at it. And it's not letting me highlight it.
Of course not. I know it.
Of course not.
I know it by heart. But yeah, go ahead over to your domain manager. So, GoDaddy, Namecheap, whichever one you're using.
Perfect. And of course, we got our name service right here, and that's where we're going to go.
Correct.
And we got them custom ones. I can easily remember that part. But that's where it is. We're going to easily take these numbers right here, the ns3.l4, ns3.l4,
dns.com.
L4. Is there a dot in between the 4 and the D?
Nope, just L4 DNS.
Gotcha. DNS.com.
Make the .com all caps. Yep. And then
the
next one will be the exact same except NS4.
Perfect. So I'll just paste it in there and I'll change the 3 to a 4. That easy.
Yep. Then click save.
All right. So boop, that's getting saved.
And that's it.
Yep.
Yeah, you're attached. Now, what you're wanting to do next is go through each of your... Yeah, go ahead and save that. So it's going to change all your domains to that new address. And what you're going to do is you're going to go through and activate the SSL, which is the security. That's what makes your web page show secure. You're going to activate that for each one of the funnels.
Gotcha.
So you're going to just scroll down that page and click activate on each one.
Okay. Now we are doing a screen share right here on Zoom. And of course, sometimes there's a little bit of lag on the screen. So that's why you can see certain things like that happen. But as you can tell, once you're in there and you're doing it yourself, it really is that easy. What they like to say, man, if it's so easy, everyone would be doing it. Guys, everyone's doing it. Just, checking that out. All right. Now, these funnels, I can pretty much take these funnels. I can do anything with them. If somebody was to go to www.automationanswer.com, where are they going to come out to, Chad?
They would hit the main Builderall page. So basically the equivalent of builderall.com, which showcases the entire platform and then has the 3 different plans for them to choose from where they can purchase immediately. That would be your main page. So automationanswer.com would go directly to that.
Perfect. All right. And we also talked a little bit about how we can even offer a 7-day free trial. how would I go about doing something like that?
Yeah, so you're gonna have a as you're scrolling down here, you'll see that each separate funnel has its own subdomain. So for the 7-day free trial, the equivalent subdomain would be 7 days free. So the number 7 days free dot automationanswer.com. So you're basically just putting the name of the funnel in front of your website.
Right. Got you. So you can basically see it right there. 7daysfree.automationanswer.com. That's impressive. And it automatically sets them all up, right, guys? So I mean,
Yeah,
one
it does
domain,
it all for you. So
right?
you don't have to do anything.
That's impressive. That's crazy. And then we can always take these funnels and we can embed them into different websites and stuff like that too, where, an additional, a domain could come up for those ones. But yeah, just pretty much wanted to rock this one now. And of course, I'm going to be able to come back and finish clicking the many, 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 many different funnels they still got, unless I finally made it to the end right there.
You got the end. That was the last one.
Okay, got you. I got a few more, and I know they're going to be adding about 12 more here very soon. From what we've heard, as well as the canvas.
Constantly adding new things. So
Stop.
as the new one comes in, just make sure you go in and activate your SSL. Nobody wants to sign up on a page that doesn't have a secure logo. So
That's pretty much it, guys. And I mean, there's plenty more content coming together, with the 3 different web builders, the app creator, the unlimited autoresponder, unlimited, clients, any kind of the design tools, video tools, any of the apps. Good God. Look, I ain't even going to get into it. This is supposed to be a short video and it's already getting there. So, hey, Chad, thank you so much for jumping in there and helping me out, brother.
yeah, no problem. Anytime.
Awesome, man. And when you guys get a chance, I want you to go to automationanswer.com. Well, that ain't right. Automation, I can back it up real quick too. I know all the little buttons and stuff. Check it out. So automationanswer.com, we can see how quickly it's already going to be working. I'm sure of it. Boom, it's already there. And of course, if you want to give that 7-day free trial, then just 7, the number 7, days free dot right in front of that automationanswer.com, and well, you'll be able to give it a try for 7 days.
And when you guys see when I was talking about activating that security, if you'll see to the left of where his domain says right there, it says not secure. In about an hour or so, that's going to say secure. And that's a big deal nowadays. So the fact that Builderall allows you to secure all your domains for free is huge when it comes to trying to do business online. So I just wanted to point that out.
Absolutely, absolutely. I mean, that's one of the major upgrades to the Google algorithm Hummingbird when it came to logo optimization, social optimization. Of course, that secured site. Google wants to be able to crawl your website, make sure there's no viruses, no malware, there's no hacking going on there, and then they can give it the thumbs up, the all clear, which go ahead and it shows all the search engines that your site is absolutely safe. So, man, that's that good stuff, man. Chad, again, thanks, bro. Guys, get on there, man. Jump on, automationanswer.com, 7 days free.automationanswer.com. If you actually want to give it a try, and follow us right here on Facebook, facebook.com/automationanswer. It's that simple. And until then, man, make sure you follow it up. We got quite a few other people that's been getting real interested in what we're doing over here. And, oh, man, we're just getting started. It was just a smidge of time, man. We just gotten started. Not even blowing it up yet. But, yeah, man, we will see you guys here very shortly, man. Take care, y'all.
Have a good night.